Hello, this is Dara from Unique Laser. 1 set, 2 sets, 3 sets, 4 sets, and 5 sets of fiber laser welding machines are ordered by one of our European customers after taking a video tour of our factory. And with the famous laser generator Raycus and the famous brand water chiller S&A, this machine can achieve 4-in-1 function, which means welding, cleaning, weld seam cleaning, and cutting. Let's check out the split design of this machine frame. So the water chiller and the laser generator are separated inside the machine, which is better for troubleshooting. The control system and the laser gun are belonging to the very famous laser brand SUP Laser. Unlike traditional welding method like TIG and MIG, this kind of laser welding machine can achieve continuous welding, and the welding seam will be very delicate and very bright. Last but not least, these machines are now equipped with SUP Laser double wire feeder, which is highly efficient and can increase the welding speed. And if you are interested, welcome to contact Dara at Unique Laser for a demo. I'm here waiting for you. Bye.